Hi, this is Caitlin, and I'm going to be showing you how to do these crochet bobbles that I use in my Eden sock pattern. All you're going to need is a crochet hook that is small enough to fit through your knit stitches. So mine is a 1.3 millimeter, but it doesn't matter as long as it's small enough to fit through those stitches. So I hold my yarn in my left hand just like you normally would when you crochet. And we're going to ignore all of these stitches on our right needle. So just push them further back on your needle so that they don't get lost while we're working the bobble. And I just hold it down with my thumb, just like that, so it doesn't get in my way. And then you're going to insert your crochet hook through that first knit stitch right there. And we're going to yarn over and pull through just one time. And you should have one loop on your crochet hook just like this. Make sure it's not too loose and not too tight, so that way we can easily pull through all 7 loops that we're going to have on our crochet hook towards the end of making this bobble. And the next step after that is to yarn over and insert your needle back into that stitch, yarn over. So we're just going to grab the yarn with the hook and pull through. So you have 2 more stitches, so a total of 3 on your crochet hook. And we're going to repeat that 2 more times until we have 7 loops on our crochet hook. So I'll show you that. Yarn over and then put it through that knit stitch and pull through. So, sorry. That way you should have 5 on your crochet hook. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to do it one more time. So yarn over and put it through the knit stitch and pull through the working yarn. And that is 7 loops on our crochet hook. Now what we're going to do is yarn over and pull that yarn over through all 7 loops on your crochet hook. You can kind of twist it to work it through. And we're almost there. Now you're just going to yarn over and pull through that 1 stitch, and then do that one more time. So yarn over and pull through. So that was a chain 2. And then we're going to put our needle back into that original knit stitch and pull the working yarn through one more time. And it can kind of come off of your left needle now. If it does, that's totally fine. And you're going to yarn over and pull through both of those stitches on your crochet hook. So that way you only have 1 more, and we're pretty much done. So all you have to do is slip this stitch on your crochet hook back onto the needle. I usually just slip it right onto the left needle, and then I pull it tight and then slip it onto my right needle since it's done. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.